The Blue Sky Miss Samoa Pageant 2016 is brought to you by Blue Sky. Tickets now available from Blue Sky Shop Matafele, BSP Headquarters Matafele, CSL Shop Slack Building, and Lucky Food Town Saleufi. Buy your tickets now and save. Early birds, 20 Tala adults, 10 Tala children under 12 years. Pageant evening at door, 30 Tala adults, 15 Tala children under 12 years. The Blue Sky Miss Samoa Pageant 2016, Friday the 9th of September at Gym 1, Tuanaimato. Doors open at 4:30 p.m. and sunset start at 6:30 p.m.
See you there.